Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on this device and also show you some of the preset ringtones. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, advanced, and here in the phone ringtone you can select your ringtone. It could be this one, maybe this one.
Hello, Moto.
I like this one the most. And then you tap OK. You can also set your own ringtone, like your own song. If you tap here, I have no songs on this phone, but if you have one, you can just use your own song and not this one. But I don't have any other songs, and I'll just go with that one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.